When you need a company that can get the job done quickly and efficiently using the newest and latest in core drilling and concrete cutting equipment, call Fast Forward Concrete Cutting. Fast Forward Concrete Cutting offers concrete cutting, core drilling, wall sawing, flat sawing, interior strip outs, hard demolition, and site clearing. We also provide material haul-away services with our dedicated roll-off bins. Our specialty is performing work in operating facilities where safety and cleanliness are a high priority. We're able to coordinate our work to minimize or eliminate any impact on the continuing operations of the facility. Fast Forward Concrete Cutting can complete your project on time and within budget, with performance often exceeding your expectations. For excellence in demolition and concrete cutting services, call Fast Forward Concrete Cutting today.